Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to know how I made this DIY orchid centerpiece, then just keep on watching. So I originally got this idea from Be My Guest with Denise here on YouTube. She posted it about a year or two ago on her channel. I'll link that video below if you would like to go and check out her video. But I have orchids all over my home and I've been wanting to do this DIY project ever since I saw it on her channel. So after putting away all of the Christmas decor and finally reclaiming my home, I decided to tackle this project. So I went out and purchased everything that I needed, and I took Denise's advice on buying the planter from at-home stores because they have some really good ones, especially if you want a decent size for whatever dining room table size you have. I bought the corkscrew willow at Michael's, but they also have it at Hobby Lobby, and both stores have coupons. And I ended up shopping my stash for the orchid because I have so many of them around the house, but I think I originally bought this either from TJ Maxx or Burlington. So since the floral foam that I bought was a little bit bigger than the pot that I bought, I took some scissors and cut it down so that it would fit inside the pot, and then I glued it down to the inside of the pot with E6000 glue. And since my pot is ceramic and my table is wooden, I didn't want to cause any scratches to my table, so I found these felt pads that I've had for a while because I use them on everything, and I stuck a couple of them to the bottom of the pot. And then I realized that my orchid plant was sitting up a little bit too high once I put it in the pot, so I dug a well out of the floral foam so that my orchid would sit just a little bit lower inside my pot. Next, I started adding my corkscrew willow, and the simplest way to do this is to just start smushing it down into the floral foam. And there was 5 in the pack that I bought, and I only used 4. And then after that, I just started smushing this American moss down around the sides, which is actually just green shredded paper, but it worked out really good. And on top of that, I used this Spanish moss, and I just placed it around until I covered as much of the green shredded paper as possible and made it look like it was an actual potted plant. And so here is the centerpiece that I was using before. I either got it from Kirkland's or Hobby Lobby, I can't remember, but it's still really pretty, and I love the neutral colors, but I really just wanted something that took up more space and had a lot more height. And so here is my new DIY orchid centerpiece. It's so beautiful. It's exactly what I wanted. It has the height. It has a presence in the room. It turned out beautifully. I just have to thank Denise because her channel is so inspirational, and I've done so many projects in my home from watching her videos, and I think this is one of my favorites. And if you like this DIY project and you want to see more like this from me, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know that I should make more videos like this. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.